Negative sentences express that something is not true or did not happen. The word not is the main way to make sentences negative in English. We place not after helping verbs like be or do. A negative sentence says something is false or will not happen. For example, instead of saying I am happy, we say I am not happy. The word not always goes after the helping verb in the sentence. The basic rule for negatives is simple. Put not after the helping verb. With be verbs, it is be verb plus not. With action verbs, it is do verb plus not. Not goes right after the helping verb every time. With be verbs, add not right after the be verb. I am becomes I am not. She is becomes she is not. The be verb stays the same, but we always add not immediately after it. For action verbs in present tense, use do or does plus not. I play becomes I do not play. They eat becomes they do not eat. Use do not for I, you, we, they. Use does not for he, she, it. Here are more examples. He is late becomes he is not late. They like coffee becomes they do not like coffee. She speaks English becomes she does not speak English. Notice not always follows the helping verb. In spoken English, we combine do not into don't. Does not becomes doesn't. Is not becomes isn't. Are not becomes aren't. Contractions make negative sentences shorter and more natural to say. Practice makes perfect. We are friends becomes we are not friends. He works here becomes he does not work here. Say these sentences out loud to remember the negative patterns.
If you like this video, hit that like button and don't forget to subscribe. Visit codelucky.com for more such useful content.